In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your Shopify store efficiency by integrating Shopify Flow. This app is a game changer for automating various aspects of your online business, from marketing to order fulfillment. Let's dive right into it and get started. First, open up your web browser and head over to Shopify's official website. If you're new to Shopify or just need a refresher, it's a comprehensive e-commerce platform that's designed to help anyone easily create their very own online store. Once you're on the Shopify homepage, if you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your login details. This will bring you to your Shopify admin dashboard, the central hub for store management. Next, from your Shopify dashboard, navigate to the Shopify App Store. The App Store is a treasure trove of tools and apps that can expand and enhance your store's capabilities in numerous ways. In the search bar, type in Shopify Flow. This nifty app is specifically designed to let you build custom workflows that can automate a host of tasks. These workflows can help streamline business processes, making them more efficient and less time-consuming. Once you've located Shopify Flow in the App Store, click to install it. The installation process is straightforward. Just follow the prompts, and in no time, you'll have it up and running on your store. Shopify Flow is incredibly versatile. With it, you can automate marketing tasks, manage inventory more efficiently, streamline order fulfillment, and even connect your store to various external services and apps you already love using. Let's talk about some of the specifics of what Shopify Flow can do for you. Imagine being able to automatically tag customers based on their purchase behavior, send personalized marketing emails, or even restock inventory without having to micromanage. That's the power of automation, allowing you to focus on growing your business and engaging with customers rather than getting bogged down in routine tasks. Once the installation is complete, open Shopify Flow and explore the range of templates and customizable workflows available. Shopify has made it easy for you to set up these processes without needing to write any code. You simply choose the triggers and actions that best fit your business needs. Whether it's notifying you when an order exceeds a certain amount or automatically updating your team about low stock levels, the possibilities are vast, and just like that, you're done. With Shopify Flow integrated into your store, you're now equipped to improve your operations significantly. This setup marks a new beginning where your store is not only running more smoothly, but also smartly, leveraging automation to stay ahead in the competitive e-commerce landscape. Thank you for following along, and don't forget to explore all the potential workflows that Shopify Flow offers. Embrace automation as your silent business partner, working behind the scenes while you steer your business to new heights. See you in the next video.